GeroWallet app: the pros, the cons. The GeroWallet app is one of the rising stars in the Cardano ecosystem, promising to make decentralized finance easy, secure, and intuitive. But what makes it different from the rest, and is it really worth your time? Let's break down the pros and cons. First, the pros. GeroWallet is built specifically for Cardano, which gives it a huge advantage in performance and stability. It's designed to interact seamlessly with ADA tokens, NEFs, and smart contracts, offering a smooth experience that's deeply connected to the Cardano blockchain. Another major benefit is ease of use. GeroWallet's interface is clean and beginner-friendly, with simple steps for sending, receiving, and staking ADA. It also allows in-app swaps, so you can exchange tokens without leaving the platform. Security is another key strength. The wallet uses encrypted seed phrases, password protection, and hardware wallet integration, ensuring users maintain control of their funds. Unlike centralized exchanges, your private keys never leave your device. The app also includes DeFi and support, letting users interact directly with decentralized applications built on Cardano. That's perfect for anyone wanting to explore staking pools, NEFT marketplaces, or dApps in one place. But there are a few drawbacks to consider. Because GeroWallet focuses mainly on Cardano, its multi-chain support is still limited. You won't be able to easily manage Ethereum or Bitcoin-based assets here. Another issue is that mobile versions are still improving, with some features not as refined as the desktop extension. Some users also report occasional syncing issues during heavy network load. Finally, while the wallet is secure, it depends heavily on Cardano's ecosystem growth. If Cardano adoption slows down, so might the wallet's expansion. In conclusion, the GeroWallet app is a polished, Cardano-native wallet built for users who believe in the future of ADA and want full control of their crypto experience. It's intuitive, secure, and growing fast, but not ideal if you're managing assets across multiple chains. If you're all in on Cardano, GeroWallet could be your ultimate companion for on ADA.